Do you have a website, but your customers are not able to directly contact you on WhatsApp because you don't have any search feature on your WordPress website, and because of this you are losing customers, you are losing revenue, and you are losing the opportunity to grab new customers. Nowadays WhatsApp is very handy and easy to interact because your customers needs immediate response. Those days are gone when customers used to come to a website, there is a landing page, there is a contact form, and they used to fill the form and then wait for hours to get your call back. Rather, now they want instant response and they are okay to contact you on WhatsApp. That's why most of the brands in today's world, whether it is a e-commerce brand, travel brand, business website, any kind of blog website, they all use this functionality that is called click to chat. It means on a single click user can interact on your WhatsApp number that you have provided on your website. So let's understand how to implement this functionality on your WordPress website step by step without any problem. And for this, what you need is your website access, that is your WP admin access. So right now, if you can see on my website, there is no WhatsApp icon. There is no functionality through which my users can just directly click on any WhatsApp icon or a button and they can instantly get redirected to my WhatsApp chat or account. So in order to add that functionality, what will I do? I'll go back to my WordPress dashboard, then I'll go to plugins and click on add new plugin. So here one simple plugin will use to implement this functionality, and that plugin name is click to chat. That plugin name is click to chat. So this is very popular plugin, and this is one of the plugins which can help you to make this functionality implemented. You can see here click to chat functionality plugin is there. There are other plugins as well, just like WP chat, social chat. So you can use any of these. My recommendation will be like this. It is not a sponsored video, don't worry guys. It is completely free of cost plugin, and it is something which I have been using for my clients since last 10 years now, and I have not faced any such problems with this plugin. So just click on install now, and once the installation is done, you need to simply activate this plugin. That will be your step number 1, that is to install and activate this plugin. Once it is done, now moving on to step number 2, that is to add your number on which you want users to send a message. So as soon as you activated this plugin, you can see there is an option called click to chat, and here also on the left bottom there is an option called click to chat. Just click on this option. So this is the screen which will appear in front of your eyes, and here the first thing you will notice is to enter your WhatsApp number along with your country code. My country code is in India, so I will choose country India, and +91 is the country code, and then I'll enter my WhatsApp number on which I want users to contact me, right? So it is the WhatsApp number. Make sure that this number has the active WhatsApp account, and most probably business account is preferred. Although if you have a personal account, not a problem, it will not create any issue. Pre-filled message, if you want users to send any pre-filled message as soon as they click on their icon of the WhatsApp, so you can add some kind of predefined message so that it becomes easy for users as well to send a predefined message. Let's say my message is, hi, I want to know more about your services. Hi, I want to know more about your services. Something like that, right? So that you can also understand whether this message has come from website or not. The other advanced feature is that you can also add variables like site, title, URL to replace with the site name, this, because how would you know that any message has come from your website click to chat or some normal WhatsApp message? So for that you can just enter this. So for example, you can enter URL, you can put this tag, and along with this message, the URL of the website will be also inserted in the message, so that you can get to know, okay, this message has been sent from the website itself. So this is an amazing feature. Now, call to action. What do you want to give as a call to action to your user? The most common is WhatsApp us, or you can say chat with us, right? So these are the two most popular options which are easily understandable by users as well. So you can choose any of these. Now next is style and position. It means the preview of this button that you are able to see on the right bottom screen. Where do you want the button to be placed on your website? So by default, it is like the style is green square icon like this. If you change it, it will be changed like this, style 3, style 4. So as per your choice and as per your objectivity, you can choose any of these. The standard is this or the fourth one, right? The third extend one. Then go to bottom. Then position is right now it is fixed, and where it is fixed, bottom right. Let's say if you want to give it bottom top, obviously you don't want that, so let's say on the left side, so it is now bottom left, or maybe you want top right or top left, but please make sure the ideal experience is on the bottom side, either left or right. And it is a human tendency that whatever comes on the right hand side, user sees that first. So by default we'll keep it bottom right, and by default 15 pixel margin from right and bottom is there, so it is compulsory, because otherwise then it will look just adjacent to the corners. Now mobile and desktop, same setting. It means this particular icon will also be visible in mobile and desktop both with the same settings. If you want to be changed, so you can just click on this option, and for mobile you can specifically change the option, but we don't want that, we want to keep it same. URL structure, open links in new tab. Yes, so new tab, desktop URL structure, that is the by default one. Keep it as it is, keep it as it is, keep it as it is, everything as it is, desktop, mobile. If you want to hide this icon from a particular page, then you can maybe choose that page, but as of now we don't want that. And apart from that, is there any other option which we need to change? No, as such there is no option. Click on settings, click on save changes, and once the changes are saved, now if you go to the website, there was no WhatsApp icon previously. If I refresh, now you will notice that on the right hand side I get this beautiful WhatsApp icon, and this is a single click WhatsApp icon. If I click on this, I am redirected to the WhatsApp one, and you can see the predefined message. The predefined message is already there, and as soon as, let's say I'm using any mobile phone, so I'll be redirected to my WhatsApp application, or let's say if I'm using from desktop or tablet, then I'll be redirected to that particular application or website. So that's how your users can interact with you on WhatsApp directly, and they are not supposed to copy the number, save it in their phone directory, and then send you a WhatsApp message. It is a just single click. That's why it is called click to chat. So all you need to do is just click on the button and you are ready to chat with us. And as a brand, this is the most useful feature, because you get directly the number of your prospective customer. In other methods, let's say in form method, the user is, let's say, filled wrong phone number and you have not verified with any OTP or a message, then it is a chance that you are not able to contact that person on the maybe mobile number or maybe wrong email ID. But here in this case, there is no chance that wrong number can be used to send a message. The message can only be sent via a actual WhatsApp number, that is your customer's number. And once they send the message, maybe let's say they delete the message afterwards, but as soon as they message you, you will directly get the access of their phone numbers, that is their WhatsApp numbers, and then you can build your database in order to market them again and again based on their requirement and based on their customization. So guys, this was the method to add a WhatsApp click to chat icon on your WordPress website step by step without any problem. Then give it a like, and if you are new on the channel, please do subscribe so that you get more and more notification of such useful videos. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.